How you doing, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. If you're new to the channel, my name is Mo, and today's not gonna be a Sequoia video, but it will be on this 2005 Honda Pilot. As you can see, these headlight housings are pretty shot. We could clean them and everything, but we're gonna go ahead and replace them with new ones. It's a friend's vehicle and they want new headlight housings, so we're just gonna go ahead and replace them. They didn't go with the factory ones, they actually went with the blacked out ones, as you can see. And these, I think they were about 115 from Amazon, so they're fairly cheap. Might as well just go ahead and get those instead of clean them, but it should definitely make the vehicle look a whole lot better and cleaner with the new headlight assembly setup. All right, so let's get into it. So the first step we're gonna do is we're gonna remove all these clips on this plastic cover. So let's go ahead and remove those, and then I'll show y'all the next step. So once you remove everything, I used a flat head and everything came out perfectly, none of broken, thank God. But after this step, we're gonna have to remove the two 8mm in here. If you can see them, there's an 8mm, and then at the bottom, get down, there's two 10mm, and then about 4 of those screws. But yeah, let's go ahead and remove those 4 10mm bolts, and then 5 those plastic clips at the bottom. So now the bumper should be free, but we gotta come here from the side and pull it like this. You gotta do it from each side, and that should get the bumper cover to come out. And that released it. So once you pull it from the sides, you just work your way to the center, and then just try to grab it from the center and pull. But everything should come off pretty easily once you remove that. Now for the headlights, we got this 10mm right here, and then this Phillips head screw tab, and then of course we got these 2 10mm, and then there's one 10mm right here. I'm gonna go ahead and take these off, and that should get the headlight out. You don't have to take them off, but I'm just gonna go ahead and do that so I can replace the whole assembly. After removing all those 10mm bolts, we have 2 more stuff to do. Is one 10mm up here, and then 1 clip, and then the headlight should slide out. So let's go ahead and remove those and put the aftermarket lights. I'm excited because it's gonna look amazing. So yeah, let's go ahead and do that, and then we'll show y'all the before and after. So we got to transfer this molding. We got to take it off and then put on the new headlight assembly. But as you can see, such a big difference between this crappy one and then the new blacked out housings. But yeah, for you to remove the molding, this is it upside down. We'd have to pry on the tabs at the end, and then loosen up these tabs right here across the bottom. So let me go ahead and do those, and then we'll transfer them to the other one. But be careful not to break these, because I don't know where you can get them other than junkyard or dealer, but just be careful when you're removing these. So to remove this molding, guys, it goes in like this, and see this tab right here? I used a needle nose, and I pressed it and I pushed it out, and then those clips will slowly come off. You just got to push them down, but they will come off, and then this tab will come out. Yeah, so just be careful, make sure you don't break or anything like that. But yeah, to start, you got to start from this end and push down on these tabs with a needle nose, and it'll pop right out. It's fairly easy, you just got to be patient. Before you go ahead and put the headlights in, make sure you remove this part right here, and on the factory one, take this boot, because you're going to reuse this boot, and also make sure you take your headlights out if you're reusing the headlights. Also, make sure that this piece, all this kind of covers are off, so you are able to transfer everything from the car and your bulbs back in here without having any trouble. So yeah, make sure you remove these on the aftermarket headlight. All right, make sure you put the clip back in, and also make sure you put all the bulbs back in, because you won't be able to reach this one right here, the far corner, if you don't. So yeah, before you go ahead and button everything up, make sure you put the bulbs where they're supposed to go, and everything should be done as far as replacing the bulb itself. I mean the housing. You just kind of repeat step and make sure everything is back to normal. I would check and see if everything works first, then go ahead and assemble everything. All right, let's get started on the other headlight. Here you go, guys, and it absolutely looks amazing. It changes the look of the car. I highly recommend you getting it, because for 115 bucks, again, it's a cheap upgrade. You can see better, it's cheap, and it changes the look. You'll fall in love with your vehicle again. I'll have a link in the description below for where I got those. And yeah, if you like this video, go ahead and like, comment, subscribe, and hopefully we'll have more videos on it. See y'all next video.